Video 1. The COVID Conspiracy Unveiled, a tale of trust and triumph. In the spring of 2020, as the world reeled from a virus that shuttered cities and filled hospitals, a quiet storm brewed beneath the surface, a storm of money, power, and buried truths. Picture this. Pfizer, a pharmaceutical titan, raked in $36.8 billion from its COVID vaccine in 2021 alone. Statista, January 2021. While Moderna stacked another $18.5 billion on the pile. Forbes, February 25, 2022. By 2023, their efforts had swelled into a $100 billion industry. Bloomberg, January 12, 2023. Meanwhile, treatments like hydroxychloroquine, just 50 cents a dose, ivermectin at a dime, and vitamin D, costing pennies, sat on the sidelines, gathering dust or scorn. Why? The answer lies in a single rule, etched into the FDA's emergency use authorization on December 11, 2020. No viable alternatives could exist for vaccines to roll out. FDA, December 11, 2020. That rule, meant to speed help in a crisis, turned into a golden ticket for Big Pharma, or so 17 brave doctors and scientists claimed, their voices rising against a tide of billions. Among them stood Dr. Peter McCullough, a cardiologist with over 600 peer-reviewed papers, who stepped before the Texas Senate on May 6, 2020, his words sharp as a scalpel. 85% of COVID deaths could have been prevented with early treatments. Texas Senate, May 6, 2020. He wasn't alone. Dr. Pierre Corey, a critical care expert, Dr. Harvey Risch from Yale, Dr. Robert Malone, an mRNA pioneer, and 14 others, Zelenko, Marek, Lori, formed a band of rebels, armed with studies and grit. They saw a web spinning out of control, where the FDA pocketed $2.7 billion in pharma fees, 45% of its $6.1 billion budget, Public Citizen, August 25, 2020. And Pfizer tossed $11 million into Congress's lap, part of a $306 million lobbying blitz in 2020. Stat, January 24, 2021. Bill Gates entered the fray, his foundation funneling $4.2 billion into the World Health Organization since 2000, outstripping the U.S. $400 million in 2020, WHO Funding Portal, 2021, U.S. State Debt, 2020. Was this a symphony of science or a dance of dollars? The evidence piled up like medical charts in an overrun ER. In France, Dr. Didier Raoult treated 1,061 patients with hydroxychloroquine. 91% improved. Travel Medicine and Infectious Disease, July 2020. Dr. Corey poured over 60 trials, finding ivermectin cut deaths by 92%, FLCCC 2021. A Spanish study showed vitamin D slashed ICU admissions from 50% to 2%, Journal of Steroid Biochemistry, October 2020. Yet these cheap fixes faded. The FDA granted Pfizer's EUA on December 11, 2020, Moderna's on December 18, FDA December 18, 2020, but yanked HCQ's EUA on June 15, citing late-stage trial flops, FDA June 15, 2020, trials the 17 called rigged, Newsweek July 23, 2020. Across the globe, Uttar Pradesh and India handed out ivermectin kits to 230 million people. Cases crashed 97% from 35,000 daily in April 2021 to under 600 by August. India Today, August 10, 2021. Peru's HCQ push in May 2020 cut cases 75% until a ban reversed it. SSRN, January 2021. Were these victories too small for a $36.8 billion spotlight? Money flowed like a river. Pharma's $306 million lobby in 2020. Pfizer's $11 million. Moderna's $5 million. Stat, January 24, 2021. Dwarfed past years. The CDC's foundation took $3.4 million from Pfizer. Open Secrets 2020. While the NIH held a stake in Moderna's mRNA patent. Royalties hidden. Axios, December 17, 2021. Gates $4.2 billion to WHO and $4.1 billion to Gavi. Gavi Reports 2023 powered COVAX. 1.8 billion doses, 600 million from Pfizer. Pfizer Press 2022. Gavi's coffers hit $23 billion since 2000. Gavi funding 2023. Fueling a $100 billion vaccine market. Bloomberg, January 12, 2023. But power wasn't just cash, it was control. Corey's Senate testimony from December 8, 2020, vanished from YouTube by December 2021, X December 15, 2021. McCullough's posts disappeared, X 2021. Dr. Meryl Nass lost her license, Main Board 2021. CNN blared horse dewormer on August 23, 2021. CNN, August 23, 2021. Echoing the FDA's tweet 2 days earlier. FDA Twitter, August 21, 2021. Over 200 COVID studies fell to retractions by October 2021. Nature, October 14, 2021. Elgazar's ivermectin paper among them. Research Square, July 14, 2021. Was this cleanup or clampdown? The battle spilled beyond borders. On October 16, 2024, a Dutch court ruled Gates could face trial. 7 plaintiffs claimed vaccine lies, and he paid $1,489 in fees after losing. Reuters, October 30, 2024. Fact-check AFP, November 19, 2024. Trial set for November 27. PolitiFact, November 28, 2024. In Kenya, on November 25, 2024, the High Court stripped his foundation's immunity. GMO probes loomed. Eastleigh Voice, November 25, 2024. Kenyans.co.k, November 25, 2024. Gates' $150 billion fortune. Forbes, January 2025. $4.2 billion to WHO, $4.1 billion to Gavi, cast a long shadow. Did it buy silence or just spotlight? This tale, 23 chapters to come, ranks the shocks. Pharma's cash, agency ties, global wins snubbed, Gates legal fights. All from public records to March 8, 2025. Facts, not fiction. Did $36.8 billion bury lives? Were agencies pawns? Was Gates the puppet master or a player? You're the jury. Next, Pharma's hammer falls. Like, subscribe, or follow. Truth's hunt begins.